Before we start this video, टाइम में थोड़ा पीछे चलते हैं। So December 2023, I did not know what I was doing with my life. मेरे को पता था कि मैं JEE क्रैक नहीं कर पाऊंगा and I thought I would just end up in some tier 3 college and have a pretty shitty future. But then I was even about to make a worse mistake. I was about to skip that one college ad that popped up in my feed. And if you are in class 12th and has heard about Scalar School of Technology and is about to skip this video, you are going to make that big mistake. Because in this video, I'm going to tell you about how to crack NCET and actually get into a college which is as good as the top IITs in many aspects. So I know अभी application शुरू भी नहीं हुआ है and there is no information on the website about any, but that's exactly my job, telling you the secret information which only I know so that you can get ahead of others. So there are basically two ways to get into SST. One is by cracking the NCET and the other is the profile-based selection or the fast track method. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to crack NCET. So NCET isn't just a regular entrance exam where you can just go by revising your class 12 syllabus or JEE Mains preparation. But this actually tests your problem solving ability and how you get to the solution of things. And यहाँ तुम्हें physics and chemistry नहीं पूछे जाते, बल्कि the exam is purely mathematical and logical reasoning based. Mathematics has a higher weightage of 55% and logical reasoning as 45%. And this is the syllabus for mathematics and logical reasoning. You can take a screenshot if you want for reference. And by the way, तुमने सही सुना है. You can actually give NCET 3 times in an academic year. And अब तुम्हारे मन में ये सवाल आएगा कि 3 बार क्यों and not just once like JEE or other exams. It's because NCET is quite like CAT examination and very different from JEE. And class 12 में लोग usually CAT जैसे exam के लिए तैयार नहीं होते हैं. So they actually want to give you a second chance in case you don't make it and are not very familiar with the exam pattern in the first attempt. Now since NCET is quite similar to the CAT examination, I would not recommend you to blindly follow your JEE module mathematics, but practice questions from the Arun Sharma quantitative aptitude book for mathematics and IndiaBix website for logical reasoning practice. Now I had followed both of these resources and I could easily crack the exam after that. Now since it's a new college and there are very few resources available, Scalar itself runs the NCET bootcamp where there are lectures for mathematics and logical reasoning and a few topics which were not part of your JEE exam but there are in NCET. Now for topics like number theory which were not a part of JEE but are in NCET, I would attach a few resources in my description which you can go and follow. Now you don't have to do each and every question that is given in the book, but I would recommend you to do 2 to 3 questions of each topic that is given in the book so that you know what you are going to deal with in the exam. So अब जहाँ बात आती है cutoff की, so there is a percentile based or a relative grading in NCET and it also depends on the level of the exam. For example, in case of hard exam, the cutoff can be 15% or even lower. But in case of an easier exam, the cutoff can be around 20 to 30% because people tend to score more in the easier exam. So there is another criteria for the cutoff, where in case you score more than 40% in one subject and even if you score 0 in the other, you clear the exam. But I would not recommend you to blindly rely on this criteria, क्योंकि in case तुम्हारा वो subject अच्छा नहीं जाता है, तुम्हारे पास दूसरे subject का backup नहीं रहेगा. So I would recommend तुम एक subject को at least averages prepare करो और दूसरे subject को बहुत अच्छे से prepare करो. So this year, even before you apply for the NCET, there is a criteria where you have to submit a video which is quite similar to the AI interviews, where there will be question like why do you want to join this college, your vision, your achievements. Now I don't know why this was introduced, but it's like they want to know the motivation and the seriousness of the candidate before they even apply. So now let's come to the part where you don't really have to give the NCET. बट इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि तुम बहुत इजीली पास हो जाओगे. वेल यू विल बी एग्जेम्प्टेड फ्रॉम NCET इन केस यू हैव एन एक्सेप्शनल अचीवमेंट लाइक टॉप रैंक्स इन JEE, BITSAT, SATs और इवन ओलंपियाड्स. एंड हाँ, अगर तुम्हारा एक अच्छा टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड पहले से है तो भी. And in case you already have a technical background, then you will also have a third round of interview which will be a technical round on basis of the skills that you have mentioned in your portfolio. And अगर तुम कोई fake skills दिखोगे तो वो इस round में पकड़े जाएंगे, तो मत करना ऐसा. So there is a lot more to talk about the interviews, what strategy you should follow, how you should communicate, how you should tackle the mathematics problems there, but I will not be able to cover everything in this video. So for that I will be uploading the next video which will be completely based on the interviews and how you can crack them. So the earlier you apply for NCET, the more benefits that you get. Why? There are two main reasons. One, because there are very few students who will be selected right now and because of this you will get a higher chance of getting a scholarship. The second benefit is the benefit of time. In case तुम्हारा January attempt बहुत खराब जाता है तो तुम्हारे पास टाइम होगा कि तुम 3 से 4 या 5 महीने लेकर तुम बाकी बाद के इंटेक्स के लिए अप्लाई कर पाओ और उसमें अपना एग्जाम बहुत अच्छे से कर पाओ. और तुम्हें January इंटेक में समझ आएगा कि तुम्हारा पेपर पैटर्न कैसा है, डिफिकल्टी कैसी है एग्जाम की एंड इस साल वो किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस पूछ रहे हैं, ताकि तुम अपना टाइम लेके अपने हिसाब से प्रिपेयर कर पाओ. सो दिस कवर्स 90% ऑफ द थिंग्स दैट यू नीडेड टू नो अबाउट गेटिंग इनटू SST. एंड हाँ, तुम्हें इस वीडियो में NCET के साथ साथ पूरे कॉलेज का एक कैंपस टूर तो मिल ही गया है, बट ऑब्वियसली ये वीडियो सब कुछ नहीं कवर करता है एंड तुम लोगों को बहुत सारे डाउट्स होने वाले हैं. सो फॉर दैट यू कैन जॉइन माय टेलीग्राम कम्युनिटी वेयर आई हैव ऑलरेडी गाइडेड 50+ स्टूडेंट्स एंड नाउ दे आर स्टडीइंग विद मी हियर. एंड यू कैन आल्सो टेक्स्ट मी ऑन Instagram एंड हाँ, YouTube कमेंट्स तो है ही. एंड इफ यू आल्सो वांट अ क्रेजी डिस्काउंट ऑफ ₹500 on each NCET registration, do use the coupon code below and until then stay tuned.